In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the task section inside Central's Executive Assistant. If you're juggling emails, meetings, and to-dos, this is where everything comes together. Central doesn't just let you track tasks, it connects them to your calendar, your emails, your meetings, and even Ask Central for execution support. Let's walk through how to set it up. Start in your Central EA workspace, then go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Tasks. You'll immediately see a split view, your tasks on one side and your calendar on the other. This gives you visibility on what needs to get done and when. To create a task, click on Add Task in the bottom right corner. Let's create an example task. Inside the task editor, you can customize by adding a detailed description. You can use headings, create bullet points, and add links. For example, you might add research competitor campaigns, outline campaign theme, or also create tracking document. This makes each task actionable and not just another title on a list. You can also attach any relevant files directly from your computer. And then here you have several key controls, including status to mark when the task is completed. You can set a priority level from low to urgent. If you're working with a team, you can assign the task to somebody else. You can also organize tasks into specific lists. By default, you're going to see all tasks, but if you click on Add New List, you can add a custom list, for example, marketing, sales, or client work. You can then set a schedule date, for example, March 16th. Once saved, the task will appear in your calendar view automatically. This keeps your tasks and time blocking fully aligned, and you can also drag and drop tasks directly into your calendar. You can then easily mark any task complete by clicking the small circle next to the task, and it'll move into the completed section for reference. At the top, you'll see a search bar, and you can quickly search for tasks if your list gets long. You can also filter tasks by priority, due date, date added, or on this side by task list. This makes it easy to focus on what's relevant. Central can also integrate with Asana and Todoist. Once connected, tasks created in Asana or Todoist will automatically sync into Central. You'll be able to see where the task originated from by the small logo that appears next to the task. These tasks, for example, were all created in Central. Tasks can be created automatically from emails and meeting summaries. For example, all these tasks here have been created automatically from emails, and it'll show you right here the original email that the task came from. If you want to add a task from meeting summaries yourself, you can just head to meetings in the left-hand sidebar, choose the meeting that you want to add tasks from, and simply add one of the action items to your tasks. Lastly, and probably one of the most useful features within the task section is the ability to run the task in Ask Central. When you run the task in Ask Central, it'll help you in completing that task. You'll immediately see a ready-made prompt related to your task. It won't automatically send as is. You can edit it before submitting. Then Ask Central will brainstorm ideas, create outlines, break tasks into subtasks, and much more. This turns every task into something easy and fast to tackle. And that's how you use the task section inside Central EA. It's a powerful but simple task manager that keeps everything organized, connected, and easy to manage without switching between tools. It brings clarity to your workflow and keeps everything on track.